So, well, hello again. As you could see, with all the fire we put to reduce the 3 centimeters of putty that we were having at some points. This car had a crash here in the front. They actually, with, well, the past stuff, they did whatever they did, but they were masters of shaping. So after talking to our customer, we decide actually to make a brand new car. So follow me and look what we have reserved. This is going to be a massive project. Actually, at the beginning, yeah, the car was super good, shiny, shape. The shapes were perfectly, and now see what we have. We have the full front. As you can see, this is the full front that we have on the car. The fender, well, the fender actually goes, which is also totally bended. The left and right fenders. This is the light place from the left side. We have the right side already here. And as you can see, here we had another crash where all this panel were going inside. We have also massive putty everywhere. So yeah, we're gonna cut in here, remove that, and here you can see we have also this panel and the rear fender. So it's gonna be here, and yeah, I know that you're gonna enjoy a lot the following chapters of how we start cutting, how we align everything, because as you can see, it will be all the car except the rear right fender. So we already changed the floor, that you will see all the procedure of how we did, but extremely with that chapters incoming, I will show and explain how we do, how we cut, how we weld, and all this stuff. So yeah, let's start the chapter and let's start doing this reparation. Thank you for staying. Thank you for giving us a like and to following us. It means a lot for us. And yeah, so keep enjoying our work. Well, you have seen how we have been cutting all the side fender that we're gonna change. Why we change? Because you have seen that here it had a damage, the door was not fitting properly, all this was bended inside, filled with putty, and yeah, so we decided at the point that we were changing all the front to to change also this side to make the car proper again, safely and with the original shapes. So yeah, I hope you are enjoying, and I know that you will enjoy every second of this video, because it's manually. You will see how we cut, how we measure, how we take the new part, how we fit it, and you know, we like to show all the process. So yeah, let's continue. Now we're gonna continue with the front and continue cutting all the parts, because we also gonna change this one. And yeah, let's continue.
Ella tiene el trozo, la pongo aquí. Yo voy a para que abra el trozo la forma. Mira, eso se dobla aquí adentro, eso se hace la plano.
Hey, if you have arrived here, please give us a like and subscribe. Bye.